Well, we're finishing up one weather-worn day and then going right into another tonight and Sunday with those strong storms, a few of them possibly becoming severe overnight with a much better chance of that happening tomorrow early in the day. We are looking at that increased threat mainly late in the morning on into the early afternoon. Heavy rain, strong winds, even an isolated tornado cannot be ruled out. Right now we have a lull in the action across much of the mountains. We do see some stronger storms now approaching the upstate. We have this one little area moving through Elbert County, moving on into Anderson and Abbeville counties, and then another storm that's moving on through Oconee County, soon to be in northern Pickens counties. These are moving off to the north or to the northeast at about 20 miles an hour. Again, they're not severe, but certainly bringing some heavy rain and some gusty winds. Bigger picture shows a stalled out boundary over our region, kind of acting as a path for some of these storms. This is left over from our last round of severe weather. And then we have our next event, which is this cold front that's still well out to the west of us, but this is going to be moving closer as we go through the overnight. And right now, the timing of the front, it's not exact. Right now, it looks like it is going to be moving in later in the morning. And that means that should be our most active time as we go through all of this. So for tonight, we are under an elevated risk for severe weather in yellow, and that's most of us, all of us in the mountains, much of the upstate, with the chance going down as we head south. Tomorrow, all of us are under that elevated risk. So that means those isolated severe storms, even tornadoes, be ready to go to your safe place, take quick action, have a way to get those warnings, and again, be ready to move if you need to. So hour by hour futurecast shows we could begin to get active again as we go through the evening. 9:30 looks like the upstate and some of the southern foothills could see a few of these strong storms flaring up, and then over the foothills as we head into the late night hours. And again, we have a lull. This is one model until 9:30 in the morning, and then we see that line of those strong to severe storms beginning to move into our western mountains. By 11:30, a lot of the action off to the east of Asheville, Marion, Lake Lure getting in on some of the heaviest rain and the strongest storms. And again, if this model holds true, much of the afternoon we're going to be drawing out, cooling down, and Monday we're off to a chilly start. But in addition to the storms, of course, flooding could be an issue along with some mudslides. The ground is already so wet from our last round of storms and heavy rain. So through tonight, there's an elevated risk for flash flooding in some of our western counties in yellow, a slight risk for the rest of the mountains, northern part of the upstate, and we are under that flash flood watch for much of the mountains until 8 o'clock tomorrow night. Rainfall total right now, it looks like, again, mainly our western mountains could see over 2 inches, between 2 and 4 inches of rain there in that red shaded area out of all of this. A warm night tonight. That front doesn't come through until after daybreak tomorrow. Right now is how it's looking. So 58 for that low, not very low at all. Highs tomorrow, 70, which is going to be a little bit cooler than that 74. Again, the timing of that front is critical, and if it does come in a little later, we'll be warmer. We'll have that better chance for those severe storms. Tomorrow's a weather-worn day, but look at the changes. We're talking a big cool down, 36 on Monday, and then going down well below freezing for the following weekend.